Hi, my name is Said from BTV Driving School. I want to show you how to turn right and left only for beginners. I want to turn left the next street, 60 meters of before turning signal left. Check your left side of the street and center mirror. Come close to the left side of the street. Align front of your car with the left side of the car or stop behind of the line. Turn the steering wheel 3/4 to the left. Check left side of the street and right side of the street. When it's safe, keep moving. When your left turn is complete and you took your position, recenter your steering wheel back to the center and keep going. Let's turn right the next street, 60 meters of before turning signal right. Check your right blind spot, left blind spot, and center mirror. When you're front of your car at the middle of the right side of the street, turn the steering wheel 3/4 to the right. Check for safety. When it's safe, keep going. When your turn is complete, recenter your steering wheel and keep going straight. I want to turn right the next intersection, 60 meters of turning signal right. Check your right blind spot and left side and also center mirror. Stop behind of the line. Check left and right side of the street. When it's safe, start moving. Turn the steering wheel half and quarter. When you took your position on the street, recenter your steering wheel and keep going. Turning left at the roundabout, stick to the right side of the roundabout and turn left. After checking, it will give you more space to turn smoothly. If you want to turn right, straight or U-turn at the roundabout, stay on the left side of the line as it is give you more space to turn smoothly. And exit from left side of the line. I want to cross the roundabout straight. Stay on the left side of the line. Check for safety. And exit from left side of the line. I want to U-turn at the roundabout. Stay in the left side of the line. Check for safety. And exit from left side of the line. I want to cross this intersection straight. which has a stop sign. First, stop behind of the line for 5 seconds and check left and right. If you have a 5-second gap, then you can cross it. Just I want to cross this intersection, which has a gateway. Stop behind of the line, check left and right, save, and push accelerator and keep going.